So there's a fine layer of straw on top, and then up under it we have some nice brown dark type compost that will be ideal for such a planter as this. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses, Green Thumb Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am excited to be with y'all here on this here wonderful sunny day in the lovely Tampa, Florida. And we are clearly in the backyard because I will be using my pallet planters that I built on yesterday's video, which I'll put a link below in the description, to bring some light to this front here area. Now, these boxes that are in the front were going to be for like marigolds and things like that that help deter plants and, you know, insects and all those things, but I was having problems, and I largely believe it's because it's just, you know, set on the ground. I added some dirt, but nonetheless the weeds from the ground is coming up, causing disruption, and it was just a mess, like a mess. So what I have done is built these planters that I'm going to sit here and then add the dirt and then add the lavender, add the rosemary, add the different things that I wanted to add before, but now I have the protection of them being insulated and therefore won't be overtaken by the weeds and things like that. So that is what I'm gonna do. I have some cardboard that I will continue with the sheet mulching. I'm gonna get this you know, 2x4 situation up, put the dirt in the box because I don't want to waste that, and then I'm gonna put the you know, cardboard down, put the pallet on top, pallet planter on top, and then we will have a new look. So I probably will have to go and buy some like lavender plants at the Home Depot because I don't have any. And actually I had started to grow some in my pallet planter, my herb planter wall in the front, and nothing has grown thus far. So I wonder if I should even buy some right now. Well, I probably will, because Home Depot is good about taking it back if something goes wrong. So I'm probably gonna buy some, add them in here, and then we will have the look that we are going for, and so forth and so on. So let me go ahead and get this podcast started. And if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, because it's so much fun that you will be a part of with this here channel. So let's say hey to the kids right quick and then we'll get started. Hey Ray Ray, how you doing? Good. Where's Ricky? Hey man, how you doing, buddy? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right, see ya. All right. Woo woo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now let me just show you all what it looks like from behind. This is what it looks like with the pallet planters there, which already looks nice. Like it looks like it's supposed to be there. So I'm already excited with where we are right now with the optics. But now from here, we have to go ahead and add the various soil that we want. So as you can see, it's already have some soil in it. I have this cow manure, shishamabob, that I always put within my raised beds and all that good stuff. But then from there, I'm gonna add some compost from my compost bin, which I just did some little turning over to look at what it looks like, and my compost actually looks very good. So there's a fine layer of straw on top, and then up under it we have some nice brown dark type compost that will be ideal for such a planter as this, because, you know, I'm gonna just have my herbs and things here. So herbs grow well in sandy type dirts and things like that, so it's gonna be all good. I'm gonna add the compost, probably add some like sand from over here up under my oak tree that actually grows very well. Well, things grow well in it. So I'm gonna add some of that to it, mix it all around just to get that thing going, and then I'll be able to go and get some lavender and things like that from Home Depot, put it in the ground, and we'll be good and satisfied with that, okay? So that is how this video is going to go. Let me go ahead and grab the compost there, add it to here, show you what it looks like. Add the sand, put it in there, show you what it looks like, mix it all together. Add the manure, put it in there, mix it all together, show you what it looks like. You're getting it, right? You're getting it. It's a mixture. It's a mixture, okay? That's what it's all about. So let me do what I gotta do, and you know, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. What you waiting for? All right, ladies and gentlemen, and just like that, we have our pallet planters nice and full. Now, I am pleasantly surprised that I have so much of this type sand, dirt type sand type situation, which I didn't even realize before. I picked it up from here under my tree, and man, I'm gonna start using that because a lot of the different seeds and seedlings and plants that I'm growing are asking for that type of soil. So now I know that I can just pull it from under my tree. I mean, hey, it's just sitting there anyway, so might as well. But at the end of the day, that is it. That is the conclusion of this here video. I have to go and get some lavender plants, which, I mean, it's Saturday, so I'm gonna watch a little football first, and we'll see how the day goes by. And you know, if I feel encouraged, I will do so, and I will plant the lavender plants. I probably only plant one per planter because of the spacing that is necessary for proper growth. And actually, lavender grows nice and big and luscious anyway, so hey, I might just do lavender for both. It looks good. I love the color purple, and so hey, why not? So hey, that is it. This is the conclusion. This is the growth of this here garden. As you can see, I have my 5-gallon container over there. I have my 3-tier situation right there. Boom, boom, boom. And then I have my 1-tier, my seedling stand over there is doing wonderful and well. I'm gonna have to add some more seedlings as we're getting into the spring time frame, starting go ahead and get those wheels turning and churning so that I can be ready and prepared for seedlings for the spring and not just seeds, you know, and things like that. So this is it. This is where we are. This is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. So much better than where we were even on today. I mean, I must say, when I look at it like this, it's like, oh man. And then when the lavender gets there, it's gonna be like, uh-oh, man. Your boy is looking good, okay? So, thank you all. Love you all. And until next time, love yourself. Get your hands dirty. Get in some dirt. Try something green. It'll do you better, and it'll help the earth in the long run. Love you, beautiful people. Until next time, peace. Boom.